Hello and welcome back to the grammar course. Today we're going to talk about the verb to be. To be is the most important verb in English. Today we're going to work with to be in present tense. The form of the verb to be in present tense. It comes in the form of am, is, are. As the example says, I am, Sophie is, they are, we are. So here's an example. I am at work. Yes, I'm the lady to the left. Since it's me who's at work, it's called I, and then the verb becomes am. Here is a grumpy lady. This is Sophie. Sophie is at work. Notice that am changes to is, so Sophie is at work. Wow, an airplane. Look at these two lucky ones. They're probably going on vacation. As you can see, they are boarding the plane. This time to be changes into the form of are when it's they. Here's me and my boss. We are signing a contract. Note that to be changes into are when we're talking about we. Just to sum up all of this, it's called I am, you are, he, she, it is, they are, and we are. Thank you for watching. Come back for the next one where we talk about to be in past tense.